Welcome to the Interactive Book Poster. It's our new project that we're going to do in the library in 5th grade. There are 5 learning targets for this project. The first one is about library skills and how you can navigate the catalog to locate materials using an author, a title, or a subject search on OPAC. The second one is about literature. You're going to be sharing a favorite book that you like. The third part is about research. Part 1 is identifying the tasks that you have to do, determining where you can get the resources, and then locating them. The fourth standard is the second part of research, where you find the information, present it in a new way, and evaluate the process. And then finally, standard 5 is all about digital citizenship, where you show that you can use information safely, ethically, legally, and responsibly. Want to do better in school? All you have to do is read. Look at the scores here. People, percentile ranking, getting 90% on their tests, are reading at least 20 minutes a night, which gives them 1.8 million words read a year. If you add another 10 minutes, look what happens. The words that you read per year goes up to 2.6 plus million words a year, which is a huge increase. All you need to do is read. So the goal for this project is simple. Let's read more. Let's show other kids what kind of books are good to read so that we can all get higher test scores at Bell Elementary. Now, why make a project? Wouldn't it be easier if I just tell you what books to read? No. They've done a whole lot of studies, and in fact the latest one from 2012 shows that 92% of the people surveyed trust recommendations from people that they know. That means you're the one that can tell other people what great books there are to read in our library. So the task is this. You're going to create an interactive digital poster, which is like an advertisement about a favorite book. You're going to have an assigned partner, and you're going to do this on PowerPoint. The audience for your completed project are people both near and far. We'll be publishing some of them on the digital frames that show in the library and in the office. I'll be featuring them on our library haiku page. I'll be printing out posters to hang around the school, and then finally some of them will be featured on the Bulldog Reader blog. The book requirements for this project are simple. You can pick any picture book, or a chapter book, or a novel, or a nonfiction book from any of our school elementary or middle school libraries, but it also has to have a book trailer or an author interview about the book or the author. So there are 3 literacy requirements. You have to write 2 paragraphs. One is a paragraph about the author. The other is a paragraph, a short review of the book. You have to find some digital photos. And you have to find a book trailer. You don't have to make your own book trailer, but you have to find a book trailer that is already published. If you would like to make a book trailer, that would be fine. If you cannot find a book trailer on the book, you can make an audio recording or an audio review yourself. The technology requirements for this project involve using Office 365, storing items on your OneDrive accounts, using Word for taking notes, using Publisher to make the poster itself, using our online catalog, and then also finding resources on approved digital websites. So when it comes to your poster requirements, there's 9 things that you need to have. The first one is you need to have a picture of the book cover. The second thing is a picture of the author. You need to include the title, the author, the call number, and the genre of the book. You need to include your first name, some significant facts about the author in a paragraph, a brief summary of the book in a paragraph, a video or an audio recording, either a book trailer or an author interview or an audio recording of some type. Some additional book recommendations, either books that the author has written or perhaps they're read-alike. So if this author hasn't written any other books, perhaps you know of another book. If you've read this book, you would like this other book. And lastly, you need to have a Works Consulted page with proper MLA citations. So there are a couple of additional requirements. First of all, we're going to try to do this work completely digitally. I don't want to see any paper at all. And second, there are going to be a lot of tutorial videos for you to watch so that you know how to complete each step along the process. The scoring requirements for this project are easy. You determine your grade. There will be a detailed scoring requirement that shows what you can earn to get either a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4 on your project. The due date for this project is December 19th, 2014, and you'll be emailing this completed project to me. If you would like to know more research about where I got the background for this project, it's listed here.